Hi everyone, hope you're Tickety-Boo. We're off down the beach today to test out today's filters for the Avatar. And these are the Polarized filters from FREEWELL. But here's today's little joke for you. And it's either going to make you giggle or groan. What did the grape say when it was stood on? Nothing, it just let out a little whine. Anyway, what we'll do is check out some of the footage in a minute. But what are polarized filters and what are they used for? And do you actually need them? Well, basically, what they do is take away the reflection off of things like water and glass and stuff like that. And you'll see what I mean in the footage in a minute. But they also enhance the colours of the sky and foliage and things like that. They make everything really, really pop. Personally, I love them. But that's down to taste, isn't it? Personally, I really do like it. And also I've got some coming from Skyreet as well, so if you're interested in checking those ones out, make sure to hit the subscribe so you don't miss out. Plus there'll be a link up there when I've made the video. Now FREEWELL filters, I'm starting to love them because in the past it's always been Polar Pro for me. They've always been my go-to filters. However, the FREEWELL ones themselves seem to be just as good quality, if not better in some respects, and they cost less. So it's an actual win-win for us all, isn't it? And they have something called gimbal safe technology, so it doesn't interfere with your gimbal on the drone and things like that. And each frame itself, that's made out of a really strong aluminium, goes through rigorous tests to make sure it doesn't affect the gimbal. The coatings that they put on them make them dust-proof, scratch-proof and oil-proof. I don't know what they mean by that because I wouldn't be smearing oil over my filters, would you? But what that does mean, it gives you the best quality images when you're outdoors. Also, they come in their own individual case. You even get this little cleaning cloth in there which helps you to fit them so you don't get any fingerprints over them. As you can see, they're really, really easy to fit as well. Plus, they stay on even when you have a crash. So let's check out the footage itself. This is what it looks like going over the estuary where I live without any filters on at all. So I'm sure you would have seen the glare off of the water, and especially when I turned around and was heading towards the sun and things like that. And it's not going to eliminate everything, but what it does is actually really make your footage look better, I believe anyway. Let's check it out with the filters on. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Plus at the end of the video what I'll be doing is using this colour checker here to do some photos of it so you can check those out if you're interested. But if you really do want to get rid of those reflections or glares and things like that, and if you do a lot of video work over water or near glass buildings and things like that, then you definitely won't be disappointed with these because they really enhance the footage. And plus, as I said earlier on, FREEWELL have sent me these free of charge, but they do not sponsor this, they do not pay me or anything like that. So if you are interested in them, you know it's my honest review on them, and there will be a link down below because it really does help the channel out if you use that one. Plus, I think there's a bit of a discount on Amazon at the moment, so go and check them out. I really don't think you'll be disappointed. If you've got any questions whatsoever, again, leave them in the comments down below. Stay safe out there, everyone. Have fun making stuff. Keep smiling. Cheers for now.